is your point? This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck! You're gonna need it.
Terrence, this is Centurion Merrick again. We're having a little bit of trouble with our ship's airlock, and it appears we need to open it manually. Now, no one has ever had to do that before, and to be perfectly honest, we don't know where the instructions are on how to open it. We're looking everywhere, and we do appreciate your patience. Oh, we got it! You're good to go! Let's do this!
What have we done?
I think we're getting back. All the way back.
All the way? To the Big Bang?
95% certain.
Which means there's a 5% chance we're just in a tunnel. A tunnel? In space?
We've seen weirder things, Quill. I am Groot. Yes, like that. I am Groot. And that. I am Groot.
Your star jumper mission has encountered an unexpected delay. Please remain seated. We will resume motion momentarily.
Ich muss zur Arbeit irgendwann, ne? Das wäre jetzt natürlich ein Downer, sag ich mal. Ist das normal? Nein. Nein. Kommen Sie her? England. Nee.
Oh nein. Oh.
Ist das der Lounge?
Eigentlich ist er ein bisschen langsam, oder?
Das ist schon eine schöne Experience.
Ja, wir holen wir nochmal Schwung.
Wir wollten morgen unseren Aufstell machen. Irgendwas ist going down.
Nein. Oh.
Das war's. Ich dachte erst, das wäre so ein Himmel, aber das waren nur die Fisch, ne? Hast du es drauf?
Ich habe die Ecke nicht drauf, nur allgemein. Also ich bleib dabei, das mit den Kabeln sieht total scheiße aus.
Das war jetzt nicht so klar.
Yeah, the bar is coming up. Watch your step. Make sure you have your belongings.